Hi everyone, I'm so excited to introduce you to my amazing friend Molly Larson. Molly is a total whiz when it comes to bariatric nutrition. She knows how to help people transform their lives with delicious, healthy food. Molly has helped countless people navigate the world of bariatric surgery. She understands the challenges and triumphs that come with this life-changing decision, and she's passionate about sharing her knowledge to empower others. What makes Molly so special? She gets it. She understands that this journey is about so much more than just weight loss. It's about reclaiming your health, boosting your confidence, and living your best life. So buckle up and get ready for some incredible tips and tricks from the one and only Molly Larson, your go-to guru for all things bariatric nutrition. Let's do this. Let's talk about the bariatric diet. This way of eating is all about making smart choices to support your body after bariatric surgery. It's a powerful tool for achieving significant weight loss and improving your overall health. The bariatric diet focuses on consuming smaller portions of nutrient-rich foods. Think lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. But it's not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat too. The bariatric diet encourages mindful eating. This means slowing down, savoring each bite, and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember, this is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. It's about making sustainable choices that will support your long-term health and well-being. And with Molly's guidance, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. Okay, let's talk metabolism. Your metabolism is like your body's internal engine, burning calories even when you're at rest. But here's the thing, drastically reducing your calorie intake can sometimes slow down your metabolism. Don't worry though, we've got some tricks up our sleeves to outsmart that slowdown. First things first, we're not talking about starving yourself. Remember, the bariatric diet is about nourishing your body, not depriving it. The key is to focus on eating enough protein. Protein is a metabolic powerhouse. It helps build and maintain muscle mass, which burns more calories than fat. So load up on lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. Another way to boost your metabolism is to stay hydrated. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including metabolism. Aim to sip on water throughout the day. You can even add some flavor with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. We're not just shrinking your plate, we're giving it a total nutritional makeover. The bariatric diet is all about choosing foods that pack a nutritional punch. Think of it as swapping out empty calories for nutrient-dense superstars. Fruits and veggies are your new best friends. They're bursting with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. Aim to fill half your plate with these colorful powerhouses at every meal. Next up, let's talk about whole grains. We're ditching the refined white stuff and embracing the goodness of whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These grains are packed with fiber and nutrients that will keep you energized and satisfied. And don't forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all excellent sources of healthy fats. They help you feel full, support brain health, and even add a delicious flavor boost to your meals. Section 5. Fat-burning powerhouses. Supercharge your bariatric journey. Get ready to fire up your metabolism with these fat-burning powerhouses. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will support your weight loss goals and boost your overall health. First on the list is leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are like nature's slimming secret weapons. They're low in calories, but high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Next up, we've got lean protein superstars. Chicken, fish, turkey, beans, lentils, and tofu are all excellent sources of lean protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Let's not forget about the power of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with antioxidants and low in calories, making them a perfect snack or addition to your meals. And last but not least, we have avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Add some slices to your salad, spread it on toast, or whip up a batch of guacamole for a healthy and satisfying snack. Section 6. Yogurt Wonders. A creamy secret for healthy indulgence. Yogurt lovers, rejoice. This creamy delight is not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile and packed with health benefits. It's a fantastic addition to your bariatric diet, providing protein, calcium, and probiotics. Greek yogurt, in particular, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's higher in protein and lower in carbs and sugar compared to regular yogurt. Plus, it's super thick and creamy, making it a perfect substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in many recipes. Looking for a quick and easy breakfast option? Top plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola for a protein-packed start to your day. You can also blend it into smoothies for a creamy and satisfying boost. Yogurt is also a great addition to savory dishes. Use it as a marinade for chicken or fish. Add a dollop to your favorite soup or chili, or even make a healthy dip for veggies with Greek yogurt, herbs, and spices. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Delicious and nutritious bariatric recipes for every meal. Let's get cooking with some delicious and nutritious bariatric-friendly recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and support your weight loss journey. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy cold. Mix shredded cooked chicken breast, chopped celery, onion, and Greek yogurt. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Spoon into lettuce cups for a refreshing and satisfying lunch. Toss broccoli florets, bell peppers, and onions with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast in a preheated oven until tender. Serve with a baked salmon fillet for a complete and nutritious meal. Section 8. Hydration and exercise, the dynamic duo of wellness. Hydration and exercise are like the dynamic duo of wellness. They work together to optimize your health, boost your energy levels, and enhance the effectiveness of your bariatric diet. Let's start with hydration. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including digestion, metabolism, and temperature regulation. Aim to sip on water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. Exercise is equally important for your overall health and well-being. It helps you burn calories, build muscle, strengthen your bones, improve your mood, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Whether it's brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or strength training, every bit of movement counts. Section 9. Building strength, sculpting your dream physique. Ready to sculpt your dream physique? Building strength through resistance training is key. It helps you build and maintain muscle mass, which not only enhances your metabolism but also improves your body composition and overall strength. Don't worry, you don't need to become a bodybuilder overnight. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. Gradually increase the intensity and resistance as you get stronger. You can also incorporate weights, resistance bands, or gym machines into your routine. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting different muscle groups each time. Remember to listen to your body, use proper form, and gradually increase the weight or resistance as you get stronger. And most importantly, have fun with it. Section 10. Cleaning, organizing, and planning. Setting the stage for success. Believe it or not, cleaning, organizing, and planning can play a huge role in your bariatric success. A clutter-free environment can do wonders for your mindset and motivation. Start by decluttering your kitchen. Get rid of any expired or unhealthy foods that might tempt you. Organize your pantry and refrigerator to make healthy choices more visible and accessible. Meal prepping is your secret weapon for success. Spend some time each week planning and preparing your meals in advance. This will help you stay on track with your diet and avoid making impulsive, unhealthy choices. Create a designated workout space at home or find a gym or fitness class you enjoy. Having a dedicated space for exercise will make it more likely that you'll stick to your fitness routine. Section 11. Embrace the journey. A healthier you awaits. Congratulations on taking this incredible step towards a healthier you. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs along the way, but the key is to embrace the process and celebrate your progress. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain long-term. Be kind to yourself, practice self-care, and surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a bariatric support group. You are capable of achieving amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your goals, and never give up on your pursuit of a healthier, happier you. You've got this.